Okay, so how to turn Leonardo AI images into videos in 2025. First of all, let's go to Leonardo AI, then launch the app. I'm already logged in, then go to video. And let's say I got this picture over here that I wanna make a video of. So make sure it's on video, then go to prompt, little plus sign image kind of. Let's pick this one, and then let's give the image a prompt. Let's say a shadow of a man pointing this, something like that. And then let's generate. Make sure you got all the settings that you need for. I'm gonna skip it when it generates. Okay, generated the video, so I'm gonna click. As you can see, he's pointing and he's talking, bringing something from the hand. I don't know. That's mainly how to use image to video with Leonardo AI.